Hi everyone, if you are interested to learn how to take screenshot in laptop and paste in Word, then keep watching. For example, if you have multiple windows open, then you will first need to click the window you want to capture before starting the screenshot process. This moves that window to the first position in the available Windows gallery. For example, if you want to take a screen clipping from a web page and insert it into a document, first click the screen with the website. If you want to take the screen clipping from a web page and insert it into a Word document, first click the screen with the website, for example, Firefox, and go back to the Word document and click on the insert on the top menu bar and click on the screenshot and then click on the screen clipping and you will be directly routed to this. Your screen will be white like this. You have to drag your mouse to the certain part of the area which you want to capture and release the mouse click. And here you can see that this screenshot is rightly through to the Word document. For example, if you want to take another screenshot of another web page, and this time I will opt to choose the screenshot of Microsoft Edge. I'm opening it and then go back to the Word document and similarly go to the insert, click on the screenshot and click on the screen clipping again, and now you will be routed to the Microsoft Edge page. Select the part of the area you want to take the screenshot and release the mouse click, and here you can see that it is pasted into the micro Word document. The screenshot with the page will be in the first position in the available window gallery, and you can click screen clipping to select the position of that screen. So in this way, the window or the portion of the screenshot you selected is automatically added to your Word document. You can use the tools on the picture tools tab to edit and enhance the screenshot as well. I will guide in the next video. So I hope you understand how you can take the screenshot in laptop and paste in the Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.